and gentlemen, boys and girls,
grandmas and granddads,
little tiny babies,
goeie supporterien club foot blues cat.
Rui, Ol, Erfus, Peba, Birsing en Ofri.
Hello everyone and welcome to
Digemerma der Grenomsen.
Gorda baden vrudetta armil fet kenta.
The long play,
Chabosty,
medieval,
smash hit of the millennium, the Canterbury Tales.
Kontadennoù Kanterbury, displeget de orga dar strollad a orin.
Ja, c'hwer kont c'hwezek vloaz, eo, va chamad.
Ja, fin, neket an et varnoun.
Fin, pasrik.
A gouman emrichen a zo drez a oad ganin.
Da vloaz var nugenand, a gous penzi. Da vloaz var nugenand a bloave. A bloavez mil pe varan.
Ah bah oui, an dervez on eus dizoloet ar sekret.
Secret.
Ar vuez peurbadel.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jeffrey Chaucer
Oberour ar pesroarimant.
isn't buried in the Poets' Corner at Westminster Abbey.
Oh no, because he's here with us tonight.
Let's give him a big round of applause.
The author of the Canterbury Tales.
Jeffrey Chaucer.
Jeffrey!
These Tales of Canterbury.
His name forever lives in history.
And though it seems most unlikely,
His body also lives immortally.
his body also lives
Immortally.
Is a Kivrinus et treorbid, an orbidal.
Met ni bado gepel lavat.
La Kirio. Tirakuto laniat, et mon mauvon d'arrêt, vues des cadari.
Ja,
Ya.
met gant an doari ou ni. Sais-tu? Hey, do we have a seat for Jeffrey? Who will have the honor of sitting next to one of England's finest of dead poets?
For nearly 600 years, we have been trying to rouse him from a dreamless sleep.
Today may be the day he wakes up next to you. Ninke de kredi a chanom zaoun.
Niki la vare de vefen, hein?
Nan.
Nan. Écrit d'orchid, hein? Nan. Bon. Eh ben tant pire. Un histoire à vos Kontadennoù.
Ya.
Sais-tu? Un histoire. Sais-tu l'akido tiliat?
Aya.
Matre, série
Tiliat.
archidoge, l'akido tiliat. Voilà, sais-tu?
Petrazo et Bars. Hein? Petrazo et Bars.
Sigorta.
Ja, au. Kemben au. Marankon a zeza, evit sele dutu.
Tila uit va broder. Kostumun da c'hoarzin, me gwelet an aorse a la karan da veza Sirius Kenan.
Agenen, Tom, a chomazaza. Vel just evit laka poezoun e diou deus ar boutaliadou. A bezasur evel just e chom boutaliad e poezoun evitant.
Rest.
Harry. What? Yeah, what? Harry, what? I'm sorry. Yeah?
But Dragon Newton's brains, there's no dragon here.
Non, les eus ket c'hoat, met dizale teuio unan, sur.
You what?
Oh, felta! Hey, dragon! Keep off! Hey, God's brains here! Allez, deux amanta! Pet morizo! Oh! spil. Va dimé les musées louanus. Il dit wallen ma des viganin.
Come into the bushes, the shot, and get your ration of passion.
Kijk die maar met op! Dan kost Lulu!
Oh! Oh! Na risqué d'avec Figus. 2 amants caridiques. A tremmen a riganin. Un nosveth na helike dans kunachat.
Padal, juste un point, c'était un roué Arthur, à Guinevere, au traîné. Los Scandimezelse au troupen moru. Los Scandimezelse. Elle est vraiment Arthur. Arthur!
Ja, Amamon, Erun. Ah, what's up, cousin?
Shut up! Understand? Borio arroe, azave glees elem e vel an outen, din don e olske du son naam. Pintutul in haar wezen, vrane selpies us haar zenen, o hedeland han kikden. Tabulinara, a tabulinou, ar sur a luske vous chouer da gueza, gartons attentorik.
What's going on?
I've changed my mind.
What?
It's a shame to kill him. It's a waste of a night. Dommage vi fait las en eon. fait.
It's only Codders, dear.
Nicke de gorfeo e ben da zervich da letra!
Non, mais di bene de vous per évoquer de vos...
Pas just. One must goose da possible o dundain da beza stumetadari. Sir Cotsbrain. Sir Cotsbrain!
Oh.
Gunes et opus. Opus.
Huzzah! Huzzah! Huzzah!
Cuscude ponemus o credi, penos er phallocrat, pud e spirit e vel dut, as o dut a bet origine Sir Crispo.
Scler a gana dewa in truna rouanet. Easy.
Liar! Parkeyer! I told him the answer. And he promised me he would do the first thing I asked of him in return.
Aha!
No.
Compreneron gwelloch a petra posculenetic Kontadennoù.
I asked. He married me.
Oh, no, it's not possible.
Wonderful.
Very easy. Ah, big and divalo.
Terribly romantic.
You must be married at once.
A priest! A priest!
Maues cause, maues pour, flerus, a geusus. Daoust a ram di mei opus gant an otroupen moru, en man, ma teuio da ver o koaz hervez a lezen zantel.
I do.
Do you, Sir Cosbrain, take this woman to be your lawful wedded wife?
Oblige Jadoun.
Executioner!
Okay, oblige Jadoun. Grada la roue.
Mad, I now pronounce you man and wife.
Wonderful! Excellent!
Is that it?
That's it.
Okay,
I'll show you.
Claudio.
Marriage over now. Thank you so much, Father.
Thank you, Father.
very much. Before I was married, I wore a black shawl. But since I got married, I wore a girl. But still, I love him. I can't deny him. I'll be with him wherever he goes. Do you love an apple? Do you love a pear? Do you?
What the problem, lover boy?
What the problem, lover boy?
Un nebeu problem oiseau, my beloved.
Such as?
Un ruiseau cause, ruiseau paur, ruiseau flair ganéor, un ruiseau divano mes, divano putz puntuseo.
Is that all?
Ah, bah, trawala, Réodine.
Now you listen to me, Mr. Big Mouth, empty-headed, fat-faced Sir Nagot's brain. It's now time you learn few things.
Pinot die credit komt vous in nevelen.
Shut up. Number one, I may be poor and of humble birth, but you call yourself a Christian knight. Was Jesus rich?
N'entra da velet, Jesus.
Number two, I may be old. So, where is your respect for age? D'échec! Divergente!
Ne fort Petra.
Number three, I may be smelly, but there's no regular hot water since the Romans left. Sais-tu, flairzogonine? Met tes eaux flairgonite ive.
Moarvat, met miser pot de vie normaleo, reis, si tu tout.
Pot flairganta. Number four, I may be poor, smelly, ugly, but I'm not likely to go running off with some other knights. Am I?
Kemet bouelet a hanout, disangère et ou force pénonce. Ah,
It's your decision.
pisseur d'ibap. Mat. Doch wie das zibap, oui.
De sta pe o mea goumande.
Oh, 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 l'Oscar Hanoun, ah, flergen, l'oudouren de l'Oscar Hanoun, dit trop d'uzinta, mais n'est que possible, ah, Allah ou Sarah, on a zouzi tout pen, ah, mais l'Oscar Hanoun, ah, ah, n'est que possible. Burzut. Oh, dion Dave a lelik neue. Oh,
And all at once they dived into bed to kiss and kiss 1,000 times and live happily together ever after.